Ndio biashara kweli tunaweza fanya hapa.
Now, a total of 12 cadets from the Bandari Maritime Academy have been given an opportunity to participate in field training for the profession at CMA, CGM shipping company. Now, the cadets will participate in the training on board the ship for a period of 6 months. Speaking at the launch of the event, the Chief Executive Officer of the Academy, Dr. Eric Lewa Katana, noted that the onboard training is expected to boost maritime activities in ships that use the Mombasa Road.
This training, as you offer it, you ensure that it covers the 12 months required, because if they get 11 months and they come to CMA, we will not touch them. They must do the 12 months so that they can get certificated and progress.
Don't spoil that chance. It's competitive to be where you are. It's not by chance.
As you don your uniforms and step onto the deck of your futures, know that you are now a part of a legacy of excellence, resilience, and service. Carry the name of Bandari Maritime Academy with honor and let the world recognize the caliber of leaders nurtured in these walls.
Carry with you the hopes of your families, the trust of this institution, and the aspirations of a nation seeking to reclaim its rightful place in the global maritime arena.
But this has to be carried out through you being very disciplined. Without discipline, you will collapse.
Now, what began as a personal grief has